Hi guys, it's Shell, and today I have a haul video from the Goodwill that we have nearby. So just wanted to show you some books that I picked up so that I can use them in junk journals, and a few other items that I picked up. So this one is Baby Animals, and this is a little golden book. My sister actually gave me these. She picked them up at a different thrift store. Walt Disney DuckTales. I think that's so cute. And then Pinocchio. And this book is kind of worn out, so I'll probably just use some of the pictures. Yeah, because like this page is torn. So if you're into junk journals, then you know this might be a haul video that you will enjoy. Sorry, excuse the hair. This is just a boys and girls cookbook, and I don't know if I saw a copyright on this. Yeah, there is a copyright. Let me pull out my magnifying glass. Copyright 1965 for this book. And I thought this would be really cute for like a cookbook junk journal. And I love, you know, that they have just simple little stuff. Shows you how to make a chocolate milkshake for kids, grilled cheese sandwich, just simple children cooking. Easy. I really like that. And then I got one of these Better Homes and Gardens. This is a 1960 edition. Might have been like 1965. Let's see. I saw it in here somewhere. But yeah, it's the 1960 edition. And a lot of people make junk journals out of these, and they are really nice. I got the Collector's Complete Dictionary of American Antiques. Thought this would be fun to put in different junk journals. So as you can tell, I'm fixing to start doing quite a few junk journals, and you know, just kind of do what I want to do for a little while as I have time. Right now we are super busy because it is construction season and everyone is digging. So we don't have a whole lot of time, and when we do, I'm so exhausted that I don't do a whole lot. And I'm looking to do like a Western book. So I picked up this really cool Western type book that I can use in that journal. I just thought it would be really cool. So those are pretty much all the books I received, or I got at the thrift store. Picked up this really cute top, and I will either, I haven't decided, I might send it to my niece, or I'm going to cut it up and use it in junk journals. But I thought that was really cool. But I thought too, it's in such great shape that she might really like that. My niece in Texas. Okay, I got a couple pairs of capris. I'm not going to show you guys those because, well, just some capris. I'm really short. And I can find really good deals at the thrift store. Let's see what else I got. I got a couple of bandanas to use in my Western book. Which, oddly enough, I had no bandanas in my stash, which is really weird. Let me pull some of this other stuff out. Got just a little plastic pair of tongs just for turning over bacon and stuff like that. And then some little like burlap twine kind of filling. I got a Reader's Digest book to use as a cover for a junk journal. I just really like that pattern. And let's see, that one's taped. So these are just some small envelopes. They are 4 3/8 by 5 3/4. So I can use those either with cards or with a junk journal. And then I really liked this. I didn't know what was in here, and it was taped shut. But when I opened it, I found this really cool sheer blue tinted paper. And I love the sound of it. So to me, that was a huge win. And then I found some onion skin paper. I'm not sure how full this is. Again, that is taped down. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will have a new Etsy shop, and it's called Country Shelf Studio on Etsy, where I will be selling my junk journals. So I do have one in there now, and I will have, right now I have a Christmas one in there, and I will have a Halloween one in there that I had left over from last year. So if you guys are interested, I will put that link below. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you join me as I begin to do a few junk journals. Thanks for watching, and you guys have a great day.